The only thing we know how to do. Said it's the only thing we know how to do. Work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard. We work hard, play hard, keep partying like it's your job. Work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard. We work hard, play hard, keep partying like it's your job.
Come on, baby, and drop it. Scrub the floor and just mop it. Show these gangsters how you pop lock it. Don't care what you got in your pocket. I beat the way that you rockin' with that thing. Girl, stop it. Wanna just bang, bang, and pop it. While the club crowd are just watching you work it out. Got a gang of cash and it's going all on the ball. And it's going fast cause I feel like a superstar. And you may not have it, I might have just broke the law. It's your turn to grab it and I make this whole thing yours. Work it out.
Hey, said our hustlers' work is never through. We making it cause we making moves. The only thing we know how to do.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the San Diego Police Department, that was issued, serving around the area of San Diego, California. At around 2:10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. There have been reports that an extremely large and dangerous sea creature, resembling of a prehistoric-looking great white shark, that is 3 times the size of the largest great white shark, has been reported to be attacking around the area of SeaWorld, San Diego, causing amounts of damage, havoc and destruction to the roller coasters and other amusement rides, and have also been reported to be killing and eating people, as well as sea animals such as killer whales, dolphins and many more fish and animals. It is possible that it could be the Megalodon, the largest prehistoric shark that has ever existed, but however, it is not confirmed at this time yet. All residents here around the area of San Diego, do not go near the ocean or go to the SeaWorld area, as you will be putting yourself in an extremely high risk of danger. All beaches in the SeaWorld park has been closed as a result, due to this, and do not approach the gigantic shark-looking sea creature that has been reported as well, as it is probably considered extremely dangerous and you will most likely face certain death if you do so. Stay tuned for more information and updates regarding this situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of an emergency action notification that was issued for your local area, serving around the entire area of San Diego. The giant prehistoric sea creature, that was reported to attack SeaWorld an hour ago, is now confirmed to be the Megalodon, the known prehistoric gigantic shark that went extinct back around 3.5 million years ago, has returned from extinction and has been reported to attack and destroy a cruise ship, killing hundreds, if not thousands of people, All beaches around the area of San Diego has been closed as a result due to the ocean being too extremely dangerous. Do not approach the Megalodon, as it is extremely dangerous and you will be eaten and face certain death if you attempt to do so. The Megalodon will arrive to attack most of the ocean areas of San Diego in the next 30 minutes, so please do not go to the beaches or the ocean, or you will be putting yourself in an extreme high risk of danger and a possible certain death. Please stay tuned for more information as it follows, regarding this dangerous situation.
This is ABC 10 News reporting speaking, serving around at your local area, San Diego, California. The prehistoric gigantic shark, now named and confirmed to be the Megalodon, that went extinct approximately about 3.5 million years ago, has returned from extinction, has been reported to attack the SeaWorld theme park area a few hours ago, and was reported to attack and destroyed a cruise ship more than 1 hour ago, which killed thousands of people and some sea animals when it attacked SeaWorld hours ago, such as killer whales and dolphins. All beaches around the area of San Diego has been temporarily closed due to the ocean being extremely dangerous and risky to swim, so please do not go there or you will be putting yourself at an extremely high risk of danger and a possible certain death, if you attempt to do so. If you see the Megalodon there, please do not approach it if you are near the ocean. It is extremely dangerous, and you will likely face certain death if you do so. We have reported that the Megalodon is about to arrive at San Diego and several in the next 25 minutes, so please stay out of the ocean as possible. It is extremely dangerous and risky to go there. This is Hugh, the news reporter from ABC 10 News. We will update you and stay informed regarding this really dangerous situation.
civil danger warning has been issued for your entire local area of San Diego, California. Please do not turn off your radio and television, as it is very important to listen to this alert. The following message is transmitted at the request of a civil danger warning that was issued, serving around for your local area, San Diego. The Megalodon, the gigantic prehistoric shark that was reported to attack SeaWorld and destroyed a large cruise ship hours ago, has been reported to attack and destroy around several areas of San Diego, causing a lot of deaths, injuries and destruction, and there have been reports that there is a lot of blood and several body parts in most ocean areas of San Diego. Please do not approach the Megalodon or go the ocean, as you will be putting yourself in an extreme high risk of danger, and face certain death if you approach near the Megalodon. It is highly recommended to always stay out of the ocean, and must stay on high grounds and lands, and do not go to any boats as well, as the Megalodon will destroy any boats or cruise ships they see, as boat traveling in the ocean has been temporarily closed due to this. The military has been called in to deal and take care of this nightmarish situation, as it will arrive in about 50 minutes, in order to kill and bomb the Megalodon together, so please stay tuned for further information, as it follows, regarding this nightmarish situation. warning has been in effect for the entire area of San Diego and most parts of California. The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service in San Diego, issuing a tsunami warning for your local area. At approximately 4:55 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, it has been reported that the Megalodon, the prehistoric shark creature that was reported to attack several areas of San Diego, was the cause to make a devastating tsunami that is high up to 110 feet tall by making several underwater explosives. The tsunami is expected to impact and sunk the area of San Diego and most parts of California in the next 25 minutes, so all residents here across San Diego, you must evacuate immediately and grab all of the important supplies with you, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a first aid kit, a fully charged cell phone and a battery-powered radio, to last you for the duration of time. If you do not evacuate within the next 25 minutes, you will face certain death and drown in that tsunami impact, and the Megalodon is also swimming in that tsunami wave as well, in order to make that tsunami even more terrifying and dangerous. Do not pick up relatives from schools, hospitals or nursing homes, as these facilities have their own evacuation procedures. Several buildings will be destroyed and all beaches will be decimated instantly after the impact of the tsunami. Tsunamis are large waves that are not surfable. Speed limits on highways has been increased to 180 miles per hour, so you can escape this historical tsunami. Tune into local media outlets for further information on this dangerous, nightmarish situation as it follows. This is an administrative message from the California Emergency Management Agency. At approximately around 7:20 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, the Megalodon, the prehistoric gigantic shark that was reported to attack and cause a devastating rampage to San Diego, has now been reported to be killed and destroyed by the military airstrikes and submarines. However, there is extreme massive damage across the area of San Diego because of the Megalodon and that tsunami impact. Everyone who evacuated San Diego, please do not return home, as there is no home to return, due to San Diego and most other parts of California being destroyed by that tsunami. All residents who evacuated San Diego will now have to stay in other areas that are not damaged, such as Oregon, Nevada, Utah, and Arizona. It will take many years to rebuild all the damage that was caused by the historical tsunami and the Megalodon. Normal programming may now continue and resume.